Manipur Democratic Alliance condemns absence of 7 ministers, including Agriculture and Water Resource Minister, in yesterday's cabinet meet discussing drought-like situation in Manipur. Minister L. Jayantakumar urges present generation not to overlook one's culture and traditions as it threatens existence of one's identity and community as a whole. Umanglai Kanba Punbaluk Ukal begs for inclusion of transgender community in Lai Harauba festival. Says transgender community is an integral part of society. Completion of Jiribam Imphal railway project expected by year-end possibly delayed for another 4 to 5 years. And scores of people pay homage to former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit as he was laid to rest with full state honours at Nigambod Ghat today. Kurumjuri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA has strongly condemned the absence of 7 ministers, including Agriculture and Water Resource Minister, in yesterday's cabinet meet held to discuss on plights due to drought-like situation in Manipur. MDA also lauded the state cabinet's decision taken in the meeting to send recommendation to the central government to declare Manipur as a drought-affected state in the wake of scanty rainfall this year. Speaking to media at Sip Sena Manipur State Unit office in Babupara today, MDA convener M. Tombi stated that all ministers were obliged to attend the crucial cabinet meeting held to discuss on measures to ease plights facing people of the state, especially the farmers, despite their internal conflicts. Reiterating that the prevailing political crisis over a leadership post has created much unrest among the people of the state, M. Tombi asserted that MDA will not remain a mere spectator, but it will join hands with state CSOs and people to resolve the matter. It may be mentioned that MDA was a conglomerate of 11 political parties, but after the exit of the NEIDP and Trinamool Congress, it is reported that the BJP has also existed from the alliance.
Manipur ki usiki leiba political gi oiba kanoma usik leiba se BJP manung gi political crisis oirba su Manipur praja miyam gi awaba oihele masi miyam praja singa waba ga mari karim ta leina daba BJP gi MLA kharagi adugma political issue ne masina longwi singi ngami singi nomoda suraga sariba hand to mouth singi adugumba laibak lepi gano moigu laibak thien mi gano Madu Democratic Alliance madu tumin le roiba miyam gi awaba karim ta yeng daba miyam gi waba ga karim ta mari le na daba sugma political issues he masida matam yam sangna manghan ba sigi da makta Manipur ta le ba CSO sing ima ibel sing puna mangna moda yathang tauthabi ba matam oire.
Health Minister Langpoglakpam Jayantakumar has lamented that present generation is overlooking their culture and traditions, threatening the very existence, their identity and the community as a whole. Addressing the gathering at the one-day awareness discussion on traditional dresses and costumes organized by Lining Thau Sanamahi Sanapung at GM Hall today, Minister Jayantakumar asserted that culture and traditions of the state are the precious gifts of the forefathers. He maintained that giving up this precious culture and traditions is a dishonor to the forefathers. Jayantakumar urged the present generation to value one's culture and traditions.
Manipur lay bakli la kontra tak lay bakli da chimmi miam khai dok ke lemo ri ba tanda ta de tang su je le yek slai mem le yek slai su je tongan makin gi haul pang gi wan mem le hari bi su ji gi madu gi chawan suru lai bi su do madu gi tongan bakli baklu le mani kale madu ni project tongan le mani kale kari gu bakli dress ba tang dai da ba se it takes the life of somebody else my lifetime in home Punsigi oiba tongan kel podam ek khanna di ge research tawri loi bo kamana ya aduna matu me am se mase research tawri bo kamu de kun tamena se we convince I am seeing the season at the pass of the sea.
Umanglai Kanba Apunbalup Ukal has asserted that transgender community is an integral part of the society and hence calls for modification of age-old customs to allow full participation of transgender community in the Lai Harauba festival. Ukal organized one-day public discourse on Umang Lai Harauba and transgender at Lamyanba Shanglin in Palace Compound today. Vice President of Lainingthau Sanamahi Temple Board, Vidyapati Senjam, Puya expert K. Vidu Kuman, Ukal President Sietuna Bachandra and representatives of various organizations attended the event. Speaking on the sidelines, Ukal convener Muttum Maniton stated that the ritual festival of Umang Lai Harauba emulates the origin of Meitei community. He espoused for inclusion of transgender community in the ritual festival to avoid discriminatory act towards them. Maniton also urged the people not to defile the sacred ritual with obscene behaviors.
Parep khara lawgani maroina nupana nupagi nupina nupigi kai papi khaidoga chathariba thoramjida adum chathanba adubu transgender jingsi tangai fadraga de makhoi oiba tongan mafam ama area ama sinnana ba khoi honamina adudana hojik makidi ekhoi public discussion ne khoi toisi master lorok parep tu khoi academic oiba discussion ama da amu hanna puthoga sahi gi pangthokpa merami famse khoi puthoga masimiyam gi oiba warep ama lorok kadoini miyam gi oiba warep se lorok matam da di laibunggi lai committee mayam jingduna yanaghaba warep to laibungdu da khoi sigumba warep Satnagadam ni haibagi wafam ama lakane masigi warefse akoi sanakonungi iningthaugi mafamda akoi lankhatkani.
Jirivam Imphal Railway project, which was expected to be completed by the end of this year, might be delayed for another 4 to 5 years. According to Impact News sources, contractor working for the railway project have halted work due to non-clearance of their 6-month salary. Contractors, upon apprising the matter to top officials of North-Eastern Frontier Railways, were told to halt work due to lack of funds. It may be mentioned that member of NF Railways, Maitram Guna, recently conveyed that Chairman of Divisional Railways User Consultative Committee, Ram Bahadur Rai, had assured that ongoing construction of railway tracks in Manipur under North-Eastern Frontier Railways will be completed by 2022 during the recent 23rd Divisional Railways User Consultative Committee meeting held at Lamding Division in Assam on July 11th. Teachers and guardians of Catholic School Kanchipur have warned of intense agitation if the Bishop House of Catholic Society failed to reinstate Father Soni Thomas as the school principal within July 23rd. Speaking to media in the school campus today, teacher of the school, Thongam Joy asserted that Principal Father Soni Thomas worked solely for the welfare of the school. He maintained that Father Soni Thomas is an efficient principal who was instrumental in advancing the school performance. Blaming the alleged interference by some members of Parent Teachers Association for the recent transfer order of Father Soni Thomas issued by the Bishop House, he announced that the teachers' members will quit from the association. Taking part in the press meet, Secretary of Local Gardens Association, N. Jonnet, claimed that it was agreed between the Bishop House of Catholic Society and the association in January this year to let Father Soni Thomas remain as the principal of the school for 2 years. He appealed to resolve the matter to bring normalcy in the school.
Bishop House Labiriba, Yam authentic personsing, preaching, Achum Mabungaktan Satkani Habiki Tajaba, Wazasing the Lejeriba, Masigi Wakalonda, Amuktang Junction Biraga, Algogi, Father say, Market Service that Tanklum the Pogi Monung the resume to view, not Ragati, I quite Tongan, Yam the palm the Bamong is Chanabi, Amad the Junction of Pumatamda, Parensing. I could learn unbeaten of the shoe, I am parenting the shoe, I
Manipur People's Democratic Front in a press release condemned the state government for failing to protect things of historical significance to the state. The front urged the government to save Quaranban Hump Bridge, also known as Thong Nambonbi, which was constructed in 1854 at the earliest. A woman was found dead in a suspicious manner at Lei Ingkol Cemetery under Lamphel Police Station today. People who came for a funeral service at the cemetery found the body this morning. The The deceased is identified as 31-year-old Muna Dev, daughter of late Nityananda Dev. Sources said she used to stay alone in the rental room at Lei Inkol. After having dinner at her brother Manihar Dev's place last evening, she left for her place. Suspected to have been killed, and last night, cause of her death is still unknown. Top of police officials including IG Zone 1 Clay Kongsai, DIG Zone 1 Temthing Ngangsaba and SP Imphal West K. Megachandra inspected the crime scene. JC formed against the suspicious death of a Class 7 girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, from Thangmaiban Maishnam Laikai, and family members of the deceased have refused to take her body until and unless the case is handed over to the CBI or a judicial inquiry is proceeded into her suspicious death. Speaking to media at Thangmaiban Thao Ground today, JC convener Thingnam Chittaranjar expressed suspicions of foul play in the student's death and demanded for a CBI probe or a judicial inquiry into the case. He further demanded closure of the school hostel and grounding of the hostel warden and caretaker. Stating that the JC's demands have been already apprised to Chief Minister Nongthong Bireng, Chittaranjan stated that the Chief Minister has assured to initiate measures to reveal the truth behind the incident. The JC convener warned of intense agitation along with civil society and students' organization if the demands are not met by tomorrow. He also appealed to authorities concerned to form strict rules for private schools to avoid such unwanted incidents in the near future.
School authority ki keno sing su moi na maram da charam da khan ba keno oraga de blacklist to biu having ching ba hostel ki keno thinggen biu gum se khoi sum ba demand sing yamna akan ba JC side gi pressure ka chu pangtok tok jede hai ba sing ase khoi na phajana keno to bina wari myam se chathabi raga government na to bi kene su khali pa JC ki makha tab se apun ba satra sangsan myam pundana ngarang ba khoi mi pham se phamaga tang kuni thoi bo khoi ultimatum pijabani piri ba keno sida kaimba phaba keno se lak train na leiraga di mase khoi na Sata Sangstan Marang Pulap Sia Punna Apun Bakongjang Chatana Bisham Sabadi.
Lilong Haurebi Athletics Cultural Organization Kamal Library warned of intense agitation if the authority concerned failed to look into the inadequacies of Lilong Assembly constituency in 5 days. A meeting was held in this regard at Lilong Haurebi Awang Laikai today. Attendees discussed on plights facing the people due to non-availability of proper irrigation facilities, non-repair of retaining walls of riverbanks damaged in previous year's flood, and deplorable condition of Lilong to Samurao Road. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh and the contestant in the last state assembly election, R.K. Sivchandra, drew the attention of the government to uplift Kesamthong constituency, which is one of the most deplorable valley constituencies. Speaking on the sidelines of BJP nationwide membership drive organized by Kesamthong BJP Mandal at Kwakaithel Moirang Purel Leirak today, R.K. Sivchandra stated that the constituency is easily flooded in the slightest of rains. He urged the Chief Minister to initiate a dredging of the Waishal Marine.
Kesamthong da sothari base loire lambi dagi kari dagi ambo yadre bon maya da koila sabai di khangdre aduga hauji ti loina Kesamthong manung se kwai dagi Manipur manung da chawkhattaba lam ama oire hai basigi attention ama ina call tawjabani government da aduga ngasi tawri basina kari no haipta di Kesamthong da khoi mi lising kuma pan lai basigi manung da tha amagi manung da khoi lising kun gi enrollment drives da khoi BJP da yahon gani BJP da yahon bagi maram di kai no haipti Fana Chaukatragasu, Mam the attention of mine a draw to ribde. Quite the BJP Bunung Caesariba, BJP member quite the potable lamze. See that lady Lambi, Chorok, Tong, Toti, Sing Kaike lady Mayam se Carino have a say. See attention of Tona of Hand Pandam.
BJP membership drive cum reception program was also held at the residence of Dr. K. Akoisana in Meshnam Lekai of Kangabo constituency today. 380 individuals of the constituency were enrolled in BJP during the event. President in charge of BJP, Salam Joy, Secretary of BJP, L. Tej Kumar, and Secretary Organization of the party, P. Premananda, accorded a warm welcome to the new party members on the occasion. Manipur updates along with Unlimited Working Club and Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System. JCLPAs carried out a tree plantation campaign at the memorial of Lamjing Meira Robin Hood at Awaching and at Nomaijing Hilok today. Taking part in the event, Director of Manipur Tourism, W.E. Bohol, stated that the campaign was held for the 8th time this year as a part of the ongoing tree plantation drive initiated by Manipur Updates and Unlimited Working Club. He suggested that the memorial of Sapam Robin Hood at Awaching is an ideal place to be constructed as a tourist spot.
Masi Manipur ki tongan mafam aikoi gi se Kangla Khongjom ari Sendra ari ge Hangang gi Margin Polo Complex hariba mafam sing asi mathang chatharak pani ngasi gi campaign asida nipalak su bani campaign asi yamna mapung phana koi gi members sing asi asina koi gi koi monetary contributions or physical and financial contribute tawraga adugullo pangthokpa adugumba campaign amani ai yuena di ngasi lakpajin ahanba oi sigi awasing se adu mafam si yengada ecotourism ki sabsaba mafam amadi oi masi sida kariguma khara infrastructure khara sangwa sagatpa yabagi mami amatai adubu masi leiriba mafam masi forest ki jaga oibra reserve ki oibra oidabra haiba ama koi thidokpa amadi changi forest ki ora magadi masi clearance lobada matam khara changi haujumaki oina di koi plan lete adubu masi plan ama tawbudi yai ana ikhat.
Taking part in the event, JCLPA's executive member Dollar Loitangbam revered late Lamjing Meira Sapam Robin Hood for his prodigious sacrifice to safeguard the indigenous inhabitants of the state. He urged the public to follow the exemplary footsteps of late Sapam Robin Hood to protect the indigenous inhabitants of the state.
Kanglai Park Sida Ladiba Kanglai Chasing Merta, Yellowi Kanbagi, Hongjangda, Kanba Ishukiada, Tawaina Ponta Pikraba, Lamjing Meira, by now Robin Hoodki, of Pharmacy Shamgot Sagatpada, Miamnasu, Mating Pangview, Matam Chupada, Atoto Palupsing Organization Singshina, Ningsing Kumamosi Shamgapada, Mating Pangview, Hive JCLPSki, Makedi to Pharmacy Tamjari, Loinana, Sigumba, Kogi, Yellowi Kanbagi, Ihoda, Hena. Ngasi inaw Robin Hood kumba thona faraba kaya su thokpiraktuna hena akhogi kanglai pa sibu murkhige dawdagi kanmenasi haba.
Lions Club of Imphal Central also carried out the tree plantation drive at the complex of State Central Library and Manipur State Archives in Keshampad today. Speaking to media, Secretary of Imphal Centre, Chabungbong Sarat, stated that the drive was carried out with an aim to green Imphal city to combat climate change to an extent. Maintaining that the number of readers who visit the library has increased in the recent years, he asserted that the tree saplings were planted to avail them fresh air. Sadat also stated that many visitors and members of the library took part in the drive.
Mafam masida larik pajariba sata sing asida afaba hawa nuksit adu phangragadi magi health problem lagidama maram oibana akone yengjaba matamda leiba mafam masi hawa nuksit senganba aduga laik pajariba sata sing asidasu hawa nuksit ki afabatu phangakanda makoi laila su tawbodam haksangi health ki punose hena phagalakanda tungi yombiran oibada mating pangine ha wakhalon asike no se pangthok chabani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on last rites of veteran Congress leader and former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit, who passed away yesterday. We'll be back with the details after the break. Please keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit was cremated with full state honours at the Nigambod Ghat on the banks of Yamuna River this afternoon. Scores of people turned up to pay homage to veteran Congress leader and former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit as her body was brought to the Congress headquarters on Sunday. A funeral procession was organized from Congress headquarters till Nigambod Ghat for the cremation. Eminent politicians including Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP leaders L.K. Advani, Sushma Swaraj, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took part in the event. 81-year-old Dikshit passed away yesterday at a private hospital in the national capital after suffering cardiac arrest. Three-time Delhi Chief Minister is credited for giving the national capital its modern look. Dikshit served as the Chief Minister of Delhi from 1998 to 2013. She was the second women Chief Minister of Delhi. She also represented the Kannauj parliamentary constituency in Uttar Pradesh. She was also a union minister. Dikshit also served as the Governor of Kerala briefly. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have expressed grief over her demise. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar inaugurated a new 5-kilowatt solar power plant at Nauramthong Kulen Laikai Community Hall, Ball Ground today. Laksh Pioneer Committee organized the event on the sidelines of Educational Inspiration Awards distribution program. President of Laksh Pioneer Committee and Khaba and Chief Advisor of Laksh Pioneer Committee, T.H. Ibopishak, were present in the event. Students of Uripo, Khulem Laikai, Laishram Lairak and Samusang areas who secured high marks in this year's Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSEM, COSEM and CVSE were felicitated on the occasion. Ilangbam Lingjel Leibi, a student of Heritage Convent School who was replaced in the 25th position of the recent High School Living Certificate examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur after re-evaluation, was felicitated at the school campus in Uripok today. Other 3 position holders from the school were also felicitated in the event. Speaking to media, School Executive Director Sanjaybam Bikramjit disclosed that students of the school who are able to secure position in HSLC examination conducted by BOSEM will be presented cash award of 2 lakh rupees each starting this year. Chingamathak College Road Youth Development Association felicitated successful students of recent Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by Board of Higher Secondary School, Council of Higher Secondary School and Central Board of Secondary Education today. Deputy Secretary to State Governor Sinam Pritham Kumar, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, President of Chingamathak Nupi Thogallup Kakching Tabam Memi, President of Chingamathak College Road Youth Development Association, Omajit Leshangthem, and many people attended the event. 7 brave mothers and winners of the drawing competition organized by the club were also felicitated during the event. Library Information Center Kakching conducted English and Mathematics competition as a part of its year-long Fudongba event today. 359 students from Class 2 to 10 took part in English competition, while 533 students took part in Mathematics competition held at Grace Cottage Academy in Kakching. Saite Academy, in association with Sairengba Singhi Apunballup, Manipur, organized a literary forum on the works and life of late writer Ulel Mitay at Hindi Parishad Hall, Imphal today. Writers present in the event lauded late Ulel Mitay for his valuable contributions. They also warned that his demise has left an irreplaceable void in Manipuri literature. Three-month cultural workshop cum demonstration of Laibo Jagoi and Maibi Jagoi, organized by Scheduled Caste Children's Cultural Dance Academy, Kakching, under the aegis of Directorate of Art and Culture, concluded today. Youth participants performed Maibi Jagoi and Laibo Jagoi in the valedictory event. Rural Voluntary Services RVS Wangbal held one-day advocacy program on drug abuse among the children and roles of parents in preventing drug abuse under Link Worker Scheme project at Yaripok Kekru Laimang Community Hall today. National AIDS Control Organization and Manipur State AIDS Control Society sponsored the program. MSACS Joint Director Abhiram Mongjam spoke as a resource person in the event. Free LPG gas connections were provided to 62 beneficiaries under Prime Minister Ujjwala Yojana of Kachi Khul Mamang Laikai in Imphal West District today. Pradhan of Maklang Gram Panchayat Lukram Lai Mahal and manager of MS Patsoy Indian Gramin Bitrak Ningthokjam Manishna attended the event held in association with MS Patsoi Indian Gramming Bitrak. Member of Lamyanba Farmers Club, Taubul Mayengbam Santosh Kumar expressed gratitude upon the state government for providing water pumps to ease plights facing farmers of Taubul in the wake of scanty rainfall. Speaking to media at Taubul Bazaar today, Santosh Kumar thanked Oinam MLA L. Radhakishore for taking the initiative to provide water pumps and oil barrels to the farmers. He refuted the claims made by former Pradhan D.H. Bir on the media yesterday that farmers of Taubul are facing water crisis due to clogged drains owing to widening of Mayang Imphal Road in Bishnupur district. Nongthil Jaibi Mahila Mandal Thambangkhong Sabha Laikai has felicitated its veteran women sportsperson who won 3 times in the 3rd Panjobam Sushil Kumar Memorial Women's Veteran Hockey Tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Hockey Association at Kumal Lampak Hockey Stadium. Team manager N. Momon presented the winners' trophy to President of Nongthil Jaibi Mahila Mandal KSH Ibemhal during an event held at Millennium Garden in Haurang Sabal today. A 15-day Sarit Sara training program conducted by Eastern Kala Vidya Thangta Association concluded today. Proprietor of Arun Enterprises Arun Kumar Thangjum and various eminent teachers of Thangta and indigenous martial art took part in the event held at the association office in Nongmaibung, Krishnam Laikai. Students of the association and trainees of the program performed Sarit Sara in the concluding event. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Democratic Alliance condemns absence of 7 ministers, including Agriculture and Water Resource Minister, in yesterday's cabinet meet discussing drought-like situation in Manipur. Minister L. Jayantakumar urges present generation not to overlook one's culture and traditions as it threatens existence of one's identity and community as a whole. Umanglai Kanba Punbaluk Ukal begs for inclusion of transgender community in Lai Harauba Festival. Says transgender community is an integral part of society. Completion of Jiribam Imphal railway project expected by year and possibly delayed for another 4 to 5 years. And scores of people pay homage to former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit as she was laid to rest with full state honours at Nigam Bodh Ghat today.